In this video, I'll show you how to exempt an individual membership from charging taxes on your site. For my WordPress dashboard, if I go to MemberPress, Settings, and the Taxes tab, you could see here that I have taxes set up on my site, so I'm charging users a tax based on where they live for every membership they buy. And real quick, if I open my site in a new incognito window, so I'm not logged in as my site's admin user, and click Sign Up, then click to sign up for my Pro membership, I'll fill out my registration with some fake testing data. Then you could see the tax percent being charged, and the subtotal and total. Now I'm going to make it so no taxes are charged for this membership. So I'll close this incognito window and go back to my WordPress dashboard. Then I'll go to MemberPress and Memberships. Then I'll click on my Pro membership. Then scroll down to Membership Options. In here, you'll see this option. This membership is tax exempt. Don't worry about this here for tax rates. This only pertains to VAT taxes if you're in the EU. See our knowledge base page on VAT taxes for more information on this. So I'll click to enable this option. Then I'll click Update to save my membership. Now I'll open my site in a new incognito window again, and go to Sign Up, then click on my Pro membership. I'll fill out the form with some fake testing data. And now, once I have my address and everything filled out, you can see that no tax is being calculated or charged. And that's how you make a membership tax exempt. See our knowledge base for more information on taxes in MemberPress. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos that makes getting MemberPress up and running a breeze.